Do you know how crucial a robust immune system is? Just like a sentinel standing guard, your immune system is on constant watch, protecting you from health threats both big and small. It's an intricate network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. It's not just about brute force, though. A strong immune system isn't one that's always in overdrive. Rather, it's about balance and efficiency. Think of it as your body's personal superhero, identifying and neutralizing villains like bacteria, viruses, and foreign bodies before they can cause harm. This superhero doesn't work alone, though. It relies on a cast of supporting characters, including essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These molecular marvels are crucial for cell regeneration and boosting your immunity. So what can you do to support this superhero team? Well, it all starts with understanding the power of certain nutrients and how they interact with your body. Your immune system is your body's personal superhero, always on guard and ready to protect you. Did you know that your DNA plays a vital role in maintaining your immune system? Indeed, keeping our DNA healthy and stable is paramount to a robust immune defense. But how does this work? It all boils down to essential molecules: nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. Nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA, are crucial for cell division and growth, which is vital to replace old or damaged cells. Oligopeptides, on the other hand, are small proteins that perform countless tasks in the body, including supporting immune function and promoting cell repair. Then we have amino acids. These are the building blocks of proteins, and they play a central role in nearly every biological process, including immune response. They aid in the production of antibodies, the proteins that hunt down and destroy invaders like viruses and bacteria. So, it's clear that these molecules play a critical role in keeping our immune system fighting fit. Have you ever heard of beta-glucan, derived from oyster mushrooms? This incredible natural compound has some pretty impressive benefits for your health. Let's delve into the science. You see, the magic of beta-glucan lies in its synergy effect. It's a bit like a conductor leading an orchestra, but in this case, it's steering your immune system, amplifying its power and precision. Now imagine if we could combine this immune-boosting maestro with other essential molecules, the performers in our orchestra, if you will. We're talking about nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, the building blocks of our cells. The result would be a harmonious symphony that could fortify our immune system like never before. Well, you don't have to imagine, because that's exactly what we've achieved with immuregin-glucan. This unique product marries the power of beta-glucan with these essential molecules to create a potent defense against health threats. To get more valuable information about immuregin-glucan and how to avail it online, get the links below in the description box. Check it out. Remember, a strong immune system is your best defense against health threats. Let's dive a bit deeper into this unique symphony that is immuregin-glucan. The beta-glucan derived from oyster mushrooms is the conductor of our immune system orchestra. It sets the rhythm and guides the performance of our essential molecules, the nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These perform as the orchestra's string section, woodwinds, brass, and percussion, each playing their part in the symphony of our health. But what does this mean for you? It means a stronger, more resilient immune system, ready to tackle any health threats that come your way. It means a body that's better equipped to recover from illnesses and maintain overall wellness. It's like having an entire orchestra playing in harmony inside your body, all dedicated to keeping you healthy and well. This is the power of immuregin-glucan, a unique blend of nature's best defenders, working in concert to boost your immunity. So why not give your immune system the symphony it deserves? Click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get updated. Stay tuned for our closing segment, where we'll share how you can incorporate immuregin-glucan into your daily routine.
Are you feeling constantly tired and run down, battling frequent illnesses and feeling vulnerable? Do you long for a stronger immune system to keep you energized and protected? This could be you, unless you discover the powerful synergy of immuregin and beta-glucan 1316. Imagine waking up feeling vibrant and energized, ready to conquer your day. Picture yourself enjoying life without the fear of illness holding you back. Envision a stronger, healthier you ready to thrive. This is the power that awaits you within Immurogen and beta-glucan 1316. Immurogen Glucan Plus is exclusively distributed globally by Forever Healthy Products. Learn how Immurogen and beta-glucan 1316 work together to boost immune system function, increase energy levels, reduce stress and anxiety, promote overall well-being. This is your chance to take control of your health and unlock a life of vitality.